Welcome everybody to yet another Young Saadi unboxing video. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited for this one. A little more than the other videos I've done. And the reason why is because today we will in fact be unboxing the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Cream White, also known as Triple White Edition. Now, I've personally been trying to get my hands on these shoes for 2 years now, just about. And every single time that I've gone onto the Adidas website, additional retailers, sites, whoever it may be, I've just taken a lot of L's. So finally, this was a wide release. I believe 1 million pairs designed and put together, manufactured, and sold. So I was able to pick them up, and I'm really excited about it, and I'm really excited to get into it. So real quick, let's go ahead and take a look at the box itself. You'll see the signature 350 logo design right here, with of course a little slash on the O, signifying like this shoebox is Kanye's signature shoebox with Adidas. For the 350 design. So it's a really nice look here. It's very simple, very straightforward. And if you look on the side here, see Boost right over there, boom, in that classic Adidas text and typeface there. And then nothing on this side here. And then on here we have so it's here, let me start for you. Yeezy Boost 350, made by Adidas, and then adidas.com/Kanye. If anything, the most excited, the part of this that I really am most excited for when we talk about the shoe box itself is going to be that link right there. That's pretty cool, and I'm really glad that I have something with that on there. I'm a big Kanye fan, so this is a big deal for me here. And then on the other side, you'll see I got them in 10.5. Now, the deal with the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s is that the toe box gets very narrow at the very end, so a lot of people recommend doing a half size up. I, however, really like a snug fit, like a really just a nice grip, on my shoes. So I typically wear 10.5 in Adidas. I wear 11 in Nike, but 10.5 in Adidas, and that's kind of how it's been. So I went ahead and picked up 10.5 here as well, because I'm really excited to, just kind of have it a little closer to my foot. And you'll see, white on white on white, very cool. And then, just the shoe details there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it here. So, this way here. Right here, just pull it. Pull in. There you go. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. Here we go. Oh wow. Wow. Oh boy. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, so you got the tags right here. Let's go ahead and get it out here. Okay. Oh, nice. Very nice. So you'll see here, you got a couple different signature accents. Now keep in mind this is the 350 V2. We got the cream white, also known as the triple white here. So you'll see, this prime knit upper. It's once again, it's a signature, to the Yeezys, especially like the newest kinds, the originals, and then of course the V2s. But you'll see it much more in the V2s, and they're using much more of a prime knit style here. Right in the middle, you have this kind of it's seamed together, and once again another signature look there. Everything about this shoe is a testament to the fandom around the sneakerhead industry, and then also just the Kanye West fan base. So it's something that's it really just speaks to the power of marketing when done the right way. But I will say, you know, really nice high quality laces here. Great upper. It's a very nice, looks like a soft material here, but the shoe also feels very sturdy, which is very nice. You have that tubular on the sole there, going all the way down to the back here, getting thicker. Once again, signature style. These do have the pull tab. Some versions of the V2s do not, but this one does. I saw a few videos. Now, I wouldn't personally recommend. I would not personally recommend this, only because this makes me very nervous. But I've seen some people go in with an X-Acto knife who want to do more custom designs on their shoe. They go in with an X-Acto knife and they take this part out here. So if you really want to, you can. If you want that, like, you know, I like the pull tab personally, so I'm definitely gonna be keeping that on there. I feel like it stops the jeans at a good point, but you know, of course, I'll be able to see at the end of this video. You know, I'll be doing an on foot as well, so you'll kind of get an idea of what that looks like. I'm gonna do it with a couple of different pairs of pants, jeans, and then kind of get a feel for that. But I really feel like this is gonna come into play when the pants come down and, you know, they stop right there. But we'll see here in a little bit. So on this side, you can kind of see it too, especially, I'm really glad that I have this lighting. The like stripe, you know, and now these are triple whites, right? So it's a little harder to see, but you'll see that kind of like mesh stripe right there. Going out to this little, almost like perforated design. It's definitely an indented design with those small little grooves there. And then if you look very, very, very closely, I'll even bring it in a little closer here, you'll be able to see that little writing there with the you know, supply 350, like SPLY, and then like 350. It's very faint here. You can almost not even see it on this side, but you can see like the 5, the 0. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, and on the bottom you have the you know, once again, signature. This is, I believe, the Ultra Boost material here from Adidas. And then, you know, you got boosts on the back there. You got this kind of this design here for the sole, and then right there on top, you'll see. Focus in on that. Yeah, you'll see it says Adidas right there. So that's kind of like, that's where they left their signatures, right there. And you know, going inside the shoe itself, you'll see right there Adidas and Yeezy. Super nice, great collab. Really big fan of that, and the way that they did that right there on the inside. And then you know, you have the 3 stripes right there. So you can lace these a couple different ways, especially considering that, like, the opening here is just connected. You know, you don't really have to worry about, like, but so when you lace them, personally, I think I'm gonna go with probably not this design, but like I'm gonna do the more like loose lacing here, and then let the ends, the lace tips, kind of just hang out. And I'm just kind of really like loosening it up, because really, you know, especially considering I got the 10.5s instead of the 11s, you know, I really want this to be a nice snug fit, so that's going to go into it as well. So yeah, so there's number 1, and go ahead and put the other one out here as well. In the box, that's pretty much, that's it, right? Because there's nothing else that you really need, you know, for these. I mean, you're not going to find any like terms and conditions or paperwork telling you not to swallow the shoes. So that's good. I'm going to go ahead and put this right back in here. Close this up there. Get that out of the way. Okay. Alright, cool. So, yeah, so here we go. Yeah, there you go. Oh my goodness, yeah. They have them side by side. And just, yeah, like I said, really nice design. It's just like a really, just, you know, it's very basic. The fact that it is all white means you have to be a little more careful with them, but at the same time, I'm definitely going to you know, going to be wearing them as much as I can. There's a spray you can buy for these. It's called Crep, I believe. Crep is I don't know how it's pronounced exactly, but it's CREP. Crep Protect. It's a spray you can spray on these, and they're good for about a month and a half. I believe it's a hydrophobic spray, so you wouldn't have to worry about them getting dirty. And even if they do, they also sell a post dirt cleaner that really does a great job. The demo video, and I'll link it in the description, like in this video, but the demo video they have is a pair of zebras. It's Yeezy 350 V2 zebras, completely covered in chocolate. It's disgusting, but they clean it off and it looks literally good as new. So Crep Protects, if I'm saying that right, is the one to go with there. But yeah, really just a nice design all the way around here. Take a look at the bottoms. Just really great all the way. I'm super excited. And yeah, so these are these are the 350. Hold on, let me go ahead and give the whole deal. These are the Adidas YEEZY 350 V2s triple white. And I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Please stick around because right at the very end of this video, I will be doing some on-feet, looks, a couple different, pants. So you'll see them, what they look like with, some jeans, some joggers, and get a better idea of really what this looks like on foot, and kind of like some different ways that you can wear it. So thank you so much for watching. Of course, this is Young Saadi Tech. Not even Tech, no. I gotta figure out what the name is gonna be for this one. We'll just say it's Young Saadi videos for now. And please feel free, if you have not gotten a chance to like and subscribe, do all the stuff and all the things. You can find me on Twitter under Young Saadi. You can also find me on YouTube, which is probably how you're watching this right now, under Young Saadi as well. I do streaming on Twitch. That's twitch.tv/Young Saadi. And once again, that's YUNG SAADI for the spelling on that specifically. But yeah, you can find me on Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, and my Instagram, which is currently my music Instagram. So you'll be able to see all the stuff that I'm working on currently for my new music project, which hopefully is going to be coming out at the end of the year. So thank you so much for watching, and stick around for the on foot. And yeah, you guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye.